Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Google account you used, sign into Chrome and to My Activity. Google.com. Once done, check My Activity for any server-side history still present. Make sure to filter by date and product. If nothing shows, locate other devices where Chrome remains signed in or find an external backup, Windows file history, Mac OS Time Machine, or a manual copy of your Chrome profile. This is critical because the only reliable restores use an existing copy either on another device or from a backup. Now extract the actual history data. Close Chrome completely. Chrome must not be running when you replace files. On the device with the backup, navigate to the Chrome profile folder and find the file named History. This is an SQLite database that stores visits. Copy that file to a secure location. If you will copy from another machine, export the profile or use an account sync snapshot. Make sure file permissions remain intact and keep a dated copy so you can revert if needed. To complete, back up the current profile folder first, never overwrite without a fallback. Then paste the recovered history file into the active Chrome profile path and set correct permissions. Open Chrome and inspect Chrome//history. Your visits should reappear and My Activity may sync them to Google servers. If you see nothing, make sure Chrome was closed during replacement, restart the device, and check that you use the matching profile. If problems persist, restore your backup and retry the copy from a different device or backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.